So we're excited to have that part of the new hospital. So this is the entrance into the emergency room area. Okay, so there's a separate entrance here for the emergency room.
Oh, that's what they bought from the old building.
I didn't see the stain.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
So this is the public side of the emergency department. The problem is that you come into the emergencies, you come in here up again urine and walk to this drive and these doors. The ambulance bay, that's a separate entrance. That's at the other corner down at Jackson. But on this side, they've got, lots of light and lots of room. You'll get to see a lot of things along the way. So there's radiology and some exam rooms on the way. And yeah, take a look at the artwork, and it's just a really beautiful, nice environment. Really put a lot of thought into how everything's situated. So hope you enjoy it, and have a good day.
Please note the artwork, because the majority of the artwork.
Good morning.
Hello.
So we're excited to be able to incorporate that throughout the hospital. Yes. Enjoy. Let's keep bringing it.
Hello.
Hi, welcome.
Isn't this cool? It's early and fresh.
And that's for the next workshop that you're welcome.
Hello. I really did a nice job on this building. I'm sure not liking the kitchen dirt, but he did a nice job on it.
The question is field is one and nine now, but yeah, it's definitely gonna be torn down. They're gonna do it probably pretty quick.
I bet you this building costs like $100,000.
Welcome to the main part of the ER, you guys. This is the main nurses station. Two of our major exam rooms are right here. We've got quick access to the ambulance bay on this side over here as well. We're just happy to be able to receive patients quickly that way and get them into the rooms that they need to be in. So just to recheck the rooms externally of that. And if you've got any questions or want to know anything, feel free to holler at me and I'll do my best to field them. So anything that's red, outlet or light switches, there's a couple light switches too. All that stuff, when the power goes out, it'll be on the generator.
So how many rooms do you have in a new ER?
There's 19 rooms, 2 triage rooms, and 5 results waiting areas.
And you guys are sorry.
You're good. No problem. I just not something I just like a screen. You don't see this stuff. I don't really care very much. I tell people I'm meeting.
This is like the second hospital open house I went to. One of my first places. Clean my desk up and I go feel for it.
We'll go right behind you. Thank you. Thank you, guys.
Miss you.
Hi, how are you?
Oh, always a party in CT, Dr. Berger. That's what I say. He told me.
He told you.
Well,
It's pretty neat. It's a pretty neat scanner.
I call that the donut.
Yeah, the donut as opposed to the tunnel.
Yeah.
The tunnel is the MRI.
All right.
Driving away, I was telling them I called out the donut.
So what do you think so far?
I think they did a really nice job on it, even for I don't like Lutheran, but this is, I am really surprised with how well this building is set up. I like it.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing?
Good. How are you, Wes?
I'm doing all right.
Yeah.
That's
Good.
why I'm also come down here to support you guys. Awesome. I don't like them. I don't support them anyway.
I can see this part of the hospital.
Hello. Hello.
Hey,
Excuse
I
me.
see you later.
See you, Wes.
And this, oh.
This is like the biggest one ever.
I am really happy with this. They did a really nice job with it so far. Out here for the patients and stuff.
Thank you. We'll make just a couple more people catch up. Did you guys were close? Oh, do you? Okay. So a couple of things I just want to share with you really quick. The bistro and the cafe will be open to the public. So that's good. A lot of people coming into the building. We will have conference space so that you can attend healthy lifestyle or healthy eating seminars, as well as the community will be able to book the rooms. Our bistro is going to be done a little different. We'll have the traditional coffees and the traditional pastries, but we're also going to have fruit smoothies with your protein ab and your chia seeds, you know, and do it that way, as well as our pastries. We'll have a gluten-free, vegan, and naturally sweetened option. So give people an ability to try healthier things in small quantities to see if it works for you and if it appeals to you. Again, upstairs we'll have outdoor seating, and we'll have quarter, half, and full portions for our meals. Thank you so much for coming out on this Saturday morning. We appreciate it. We look forward to serving you. Your next step is up the elevator. You guys might want to take the stairs. Who knows? Okay. Thank you.